Hello, I'm Brad. We're here at the S&S Cycle Off-Road Division in the UTV dyno cell. Today we're going to talk about installing your Power Tune XTO muffler on a Honda Talon. And a few things you're going to need to do the install would be some anti-seize, some soap and water for the rubber isolators, a 6mm T-handled or Allen wrench, a 10mm socket, a 12mm socket, ratchet, a 6-inch or longer extension, and a 17mm wrench. And you might need a flathead screwdriver or a pry bar to push the rubbers off. Your first step would be to disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery. We've already done that. Then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and unplug your O2 sensor from the wiring harness right underneath the frame here. And now we're going to remove the rear muffler cover. There's two 6mm bolts on each side. It takes a 10mm socket, and we're going to go ahead and remove that. Now we're going to unbolt the stock muffler from the header pipe, and we're going to use your 12mm socket and take the bolts out. Now we're going to remove the rubber isolators from each side. I use a little soapy water to help with that. And then I take my screwdriver. Now we're going to remove the 3 bolts on each side of the hanger brackets using a 6mm T-handled. And now on the driver's side, same thing. Now we're going to remove the stock muffler from the unit. Pick up on the middle, take the bracket off, rack it off this side, and remove the muffler. Now you're going to take your 17mm wrench and remove the O2 sensor from the stock muffler. Now we're going to install the O2 sensor into the new Power Tune XTO muffler. I always take a little anti-seize and just dab it on the threads of the O2 sensor. So now we're just going to place the hanger brackets over the rods, install the muffler. Now we're going to install the muffler brackets onto the hanger studs. Now we're going to install the hanger bolts, and I do put a little anti-seize on each one of them. Now for the rubber isolators, soapy water. Now for the passenger side. Now we're going to install the header bolts, and I did put a little anti-seize on those. And now we're going to plug in the O2 sensor. Now we're going to install the rear factory muffler cover. Now that the Power Tune XTO muffler is installed on your Honda Talon, go ahead and connect the negative battery cable, and let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. Man, that sure did sound awesome. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to all of our social media channels, and for more product information, go to sscycle.com.